My name is Chris, and today I want to tell you about the full Windsor titanium splitter. Now, I like things that are multi-purpose when you're out in the backcountry, such as I am right now. And I'm getting ready to make myself a ribeye on a skillet. And what this is a titanium, combination titanium spatula. If I can get it apart. It's a titanium spatula, spork, and it has a third use. When you put them together, it makes a tong that you can turn meat with. Right here. So if I'm cooking eggs, I'm going to use a spatula. If I'm having a backpacking meal, I'm going to use this. But since I'm having a big slab of ribeye and I need to turn it, this is what I'm using. And I love these things because they're very light and very useful. So let me show you when I get it starting to cook, and I'll show you turning the ribeye with it. Okay, so I've got the ribeye going, and you can see this works very easily. Specifically with the spork part of it, you can really dig into the meat and then flip it very easily. So I highly recommend these. I'll leave a link in the description below, and it's an affiliate link, so make sure you check it out. It doesn't cost you any more, but it helps the channel. And get out there and explore. Thanks a lot.